y'all. Hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and I'm back with another designer bag inspo to save you budget baddies some coins. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video. I'm having an awesome day, an amazing day, blessed to wake up. So, girl, yes, I am not going to allow anybody with a little bit of minimal nonsense. It's me off today. It's all about the feng shui, okay? So anyway, you guys, I have rocked with this company quite a few times. They have the nicest designer-inspired purses, clothes, accessories, luggage, sunglasses on their website. Nobody should go broke, especially if you are on a budget, okay? I feel like everybody should have something nice in their life, even if it's inspired, a designer-inspired, because at the end of the day, those actual designers don't even know you personally. There is going to be a coupon code down below, and also usbags.ru does offer FedEx shipping, and I do believe it's free. If I'm not, then I'm sorry, but I do believe that it's free FedEx shipping, which means that you're going to get your bag super duper quick. I do receive a text message from them on the WhatsApp, and they do give me my tracking number, and my bag is here in like 4 or 5 days later, which is great. They always package everything nicely, and all of their stuff is super affordable. Now, you know I have 3 daughters in my household, so I love to share things with them. I do like to share with my daughters and allow them to choose items as well too. These are the purses and the wallets that my daughter's name Mumsy was able to choose, and I also was able to choose a piece of jewelry, which I'm absolutely loving. I did get my bracelet in this cute little inspired box, and it also does come with a velvet pouch inside that you can use and store your jewelry inside. Now, girl, let me show you this bracelet because she is very cute, very dainty, and I love the fact that it doesn't dangle, so it kind of does just fit. So you may want to take measurements prior to if you are going to purchase some jewelry. Isn't she gorgeous? I absolutely am loving this bracelet. I love the faux diamonds in it, and it's just very dainty and very well made. The latch on this is great because it's not one of those like cheap latches. This latch will definitely hold. You don't have to worry about it breaking and your bracelet coming off. But I love the detailing of this bracelet. Very pretty. Now, the next item is also an inspired designer dupe, and my daughter Mumsy was able to pick out a nice little wallet so she can use to go with her bag. It does come with a dust bag to keep your wallet clean and safe from the elements. This is the wallet, very small and dainty. I do like the embossed lettering, which is on both sides, some charms, which make it even cuter. And inside, you will be able to stash your cash if you choose to, and you can put about 2 or 3 cards on each side. Very pretty pale pink color, embossed lettering on each side. The gold accessories on the side is definitely what make this wallet really like stand out. And the last item, the very next item, is this cute designer inspired fanny pack. This also does come with a dust bag to keep your bag clean and safe from the elements. Now, this is really, really chic. I like this a lot. My daughter Nate chose this. I love fanny packs, girl. I love a good fanny pack that you could just carry. You ain't got to worry about putting like any strain on your shoulders. This does have 3 different separate compartments. There's the compartment in the back, which is really, really nice. So you can put like your money back here, and it's just a little bit closer to your body. In the front, another like opening where you can put maybe like your lip gloss or keys. This compartment right here, which is super nice because you can actually fit your phone in it. And I do like the leather of it. Very sturdy, very well made. And this you can definitely put your phone in. One thing about this, I did try to put this on my own waist. This is not plus size girl friendly because I would love to rock something like this. And girl, I don't want to have to lose weight to wear the fanny pack. Okay, I'm just saying. But I will say I do love the gold hardware. It is adjustable, but girl, I opened it up all the way. And very nice sturdy belt like material. Honey, it still wasn't clasping. So this is definitely made for unplus size girls. Okay. Now, the one thing I will suggest with usbags.ru is please make these straps a little bit longer so us plus size ladies, plus size girly girls, plus size divas, plus size aunties could rock a fanny bag too. Because I don't know about y'all, but I love a good fanny bag, and I got me a couple of fanny bags. Okay. I mean, this real nice Coach one, and it opens up really wide, so it fits perfectly. But this one did not fit around my waist, so I would love for usbags.ru to add about 6 to 12 inches extra with these, so that way us bigger girls are able to wear them, because this is a gorgeous fanny bag, and I love stuff like this. This is very classy, very chic, very feminine looking. You know what I'm saying? This is great to carry when you're going out with the girls. You don't have to worry about leaving your purse anywhere because you're wearing it. Okay, girl, yes. So definitely, if you are a smaller waist, go ahead and check this out. They have a lot of nice bags on their website, and they also have a lot of nice fanny bags. But the one thing that I would suggest asking is to just make the straps a little bit longer so bigger women woman could wear the fanny bag too. But on that note, it was just a quick video, girl. I love y'all. Stay deep and Devolicious, and y'all know I will leave the information down below. Peace and blessings to each and every one of y'all. Stay out the way, mind your business, motivated, and have the positive energy that you always shall have. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.